Hey, how it's going, guys? Welcome to the second video on WorkBuddy. So WorkBuddy is a newly launched AI agent by Tencent. I already have created a video where I have shown you that how you can get started with WorkBuddy. WorkBuddy is one of my favorite agents today, and I rate this, against OpenClaw, Hermes, and Manas. I rate this better, to be honest, because you can do everything at WorkBuddy. Now, for someone who is watching this video, not the previous video, if you have not seen that, you can just go on workbuddy.ai to get it installed. It's free to use, so you can get started quickly. You just have to get the installer. So if you're on Mac, you just get the DMG. If you are on Windows, just get the exe and just get it done, right? Now, WorkBuddy is by Tencent, so it's from China. Right, and they have made it possible globally, so you can use it anywhere you want, free to use. And if you look at the docs, which is interesting, so you can basically use WorkBuddy for everything. A single unified platform that does everything. It has skills, it has connectors, of course, custom connectors through MCP. It has skills, it has expertise. It can work with your files, it can generate PPTs, and it can do everything. So if you look at here, I already have done that. Right, it has created a NVIDIA PPT for me based on NVIDIA's financial report of 2026. That's what I have shown in the last video. Now, in this video, we're going to look at a few things over here. The first thing is automation. So if you come to automation, now automation is the most important thing today that we are using AI agents for, right? You can automate almost everything using AI agents. Now let's say I want to start my first automation as a task. There are some templates that have been created. Now, if you look at your some scheduled tasks, the first is daily AI news briefing. There have been so many things which are happening today in the AI space, in the AI ecosystem. How do we, look at all the updates, or how are we being updated every day? Like I can use an AI agent for that, right? You can use automation like this, or you can, look at health checkup reminder. If you have your parent, or if you have people who are like senior citizens, you can use all of this, right? Now, let's look at daily AI news briefing. Now, when you click on this automation template, you can, of course, rename it if you want anything. If you look at the prompt, you can change the prompt. Now, here we have option to select models. Let's say I'm select HY3. Hi3 model. It says track today's top developments in AI with a focus on AI assistant coding and embedded intelligence. Curate 3-5 noteworthy items. Briefly describe each event and why it matters. That's the prompt. Now you can change the prompt if you want. Now, let's say if you want to authorize the connector for using tasks without, you can also have connectors. Like I don't have any connectors yet, but you can do that. Now they also have scheduler, so you can schedule it every day, and you can push to webcom bot as well, which is in China. Vcom bot, excuse me. You can put it on vcom bot. I don't have options of vcom here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this for now, and let's just save, confirm. Now, this automation is scheduled daily at 9. It's going to run this and gives me this information. Now, let's say I want to test it right now. I can just do that. It says test run triggered. It does not affect the scheduled runtime. Now, if you come over here, AI agent will start reasoning. So the set of expertise, the set of experts agent will now start running, this particular task for me, which is daily AI news briefing. You can see it says, I will research today's top AI developments. And WorkBuddy, this entire user experience is so good. I think they have done really well on the behavioral science. If you look at the tools like Perplexity, I was a huge fan of Perplexity when it was launched because of the way they created the user experience. I think today to use an AI tool, it has to be very simple, right? And it has to be based on behavioral elements, right? Or behavior design principle. And that's why they have done it over here. A very simple sidebar that you see. A very simple UX that we can use it. Now it's taking time because it's going to run that. Meanwhile, I'm going to show you some other features that we can see. If you come over here in the expert skills and connectors, that's the most fascinating part of WorkBuddy. Now we have connectors available. So we have already, let's first look at the experts. Now experts are already created by this WorkBuddy, or as a marketplace also you can think like that. Okay, look at here the content creator. There's an agent called Kai, an expert called Kai, content creator. There is data analytics reporter. There is China e-commerce operations expert. There is sales coach. If you want to already use a sales coach, you can use sales coach as an expert. So you have already built experts over here. There are expert teams that you see. Software company. You can run the whole software company using WorkBuddy, which is by WorkBuddy team. You can look at all of this, right? Deep research team is there. There is engineering assurance team. These are the experts that they have. Now, skills are reusable skills. These skills are very important. Right? You can use these skills, like for example, let's say if you want to search Airbnb listing with prices, ratings, and direct booking links, you can also connect Airbnb. So, for example, if you look at here, it says skill install, try it out. Now, if you come here and say find some good Airbnbs, let's say in Dubai for the month of, let's say, October, and I'm just gonna do this. It says preparing for execution, waiting for model. So the skills has already been installed, of course, and it's gonna give you or fetch this information from the Airbnb skills, right? It basically, that's how it works. So let it happen. Okay, you can see it says load skill Airbnb. It says I will search for Airbnb listings in Dubai for October, and you can see UVX. So they're installing all of those things. Let it do. They will synthesize the response for us. This will take a bit of time. Now let's come back to this. Now our report is done. Remember, we automated. It says track today's top developments in AI with a focus on AI assisted coding, blah, blah, blah. Now, this is the AI daily briefing for August 13, which is today, right? It says OpenAI Codex has released this version, right? Agentic coding goes mainstream, okay, with Anthropic, something is doing, Alibaba Cloud, blah, blah, blah. Tencent ships a full stack embodied platform, which is fantastic, right? Oh, wow, I love this. Tesla Optimus hits its mass production window. And you can look at all this MD file over here. You can just open into a folder or you can just read it over here. As I said, it has a very good user experience, guys. I love this, right? This is what it currently see, the automation. Now you can connect with your Gmail or let's say your mail or your Telegram or wherever, and it will start getting updates every morning at 9 a.m. That's what the automation means, right? Which is fantastic. Now come back over here. This is also summarized. Okay, this is the earlier one. Now this Airbnb, I've just gonna take some time and find it out. Meanwhile, that was the skills. If I go back, okay, on connectors, now connectors are basically built on MCP servers, right? So for example, if you want to use custom connectors, you can set it up through MCP, right? You can just do that as well. You can configure some MCP. Now they already have built connectors for us. So for example, if you want to connect with GitHub, that can help you clone, push, and manage your repositories. You can make a PR and you can do a lot of things over here. You also have Notion. If you want to do Notion, you can do that as well. We have Canva over here for design thinking. We have now come back on this task and you can see, wow, we got it over here. It says Dubai Airbnb stays October 2026, a curated neighborhood and booking guide for an October trip to Dubai. Why October is a smart time to visit? Of course, it's a shoulder season that we say. I mean, it's not that hot, not that cold as well. So we can see over here Dubai Marina, of course, one of my favorites. When I have been in Dubai in DMCC and Marina side mostly when I go to Dubai, of course I really like this pick. And again, downtown and Business Bay area where we have Burj Khalifa and malls and whatnot, right? So this is interesting, right? And you can look at all these Palm Jumeirah and look at the quality of output, the MDs that has been rendered. It gives you the price, it gives you filter and tips for a great October stay. Open the full live search. You can again do the full live search if you want. You can again go on inbuilt. They have inbuilt feature that you can search here. You can look at they are searching Airbnb now. Okay, we can search over here all your Airbnbs and you can just reserve. You do not have to kind of go on your browser. You can just do it from here because they have an inbuilt feature to do that. Right now, this is on your skills that you see, which is interesting. So task also you can do coding stuff. You can like do website development. Like let's develop a simple website for, I'm gonna say, Premier League updates, okay, something like this, and we see what happens. Now, just like we have been working with Codex or Cloud Code, you can also use WorkBuddy to build complex applications or systems, and all powered by AI agents. That's how it works. So this is, of course, going to take a bit of time. Okay, let me plan the build. You can see it's saying, of course, just like how Codex and Cloud Code works. So we're going to wait for that. Okay, so you can see our website is done. So if I open this, This is how it looks like. So you can see Premier League updates. It just gives you some update. A very simple single page application. A demo site, data zone is sample, illustrative. You can of course make some changes over here if you want. Fantastic. So you can build, simple interfaces or even complex system depending on how you want to do that, right? And everything you can of course persist it. So they have a folder where you can persist all the artifacts that you see. So we have seen so far how you can build applications, website, how we can use, skills like Airbnb, where we can book these Airbnbs, and how we can, of course, automate. So you can also perform automations using WorkBuddy, right? That's interesting. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, right? Expert skills, you go and try it out, and you also have assistant where you can configure with Slack and Telegram based on how you want to do it. If you want to do that, you can let me know as well. Now, let me know how you are using WorkBuddy. I'll give the link of WorkBuddy in this video description. I'll also give the previous video link. I'll also give the link of previous video in description. You can go and check that. If you have any questions related to WorkBuddy, you can reach out to me through my social media channel. Find those information on channel banner and channel about us. If you like this video, please hit the like icon. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe the channel, guys. That motivates me to create more such videos in near future. That's all for this Tencent's WorkBuddy video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.